Are you tired of bulky cases that promises protection but turn your sleek iPhone into a brick? What if I told you that there's a case that offers military-grade protection without compromising on style and adding extra weight? Stay tuned as we unveil this game-changing case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's check it out. Welcome back to Bertrand Tech Man, where we dive into the latest tech to keep you ahead of the curve. Now, today we're going to be unboxing the Poetic case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's see if it lives up to the hype of combining robust protection with sleek design. So, here's the problem. We've all been there. Dropping our phones and holding our breath, hoping that the screen didn't crack. But now, what if that phone could bounce back unscathed? Enter the Poetic case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max with dual layer protection featuring a flexible TPE and hard PC plastic with, of course, reinforced corners. This case is shock-proof, drop-proof, and knock-proof. It's even scratch-resistant. And the best part is it does all of this without turning your phone into a tank. So now, what are some main features? First of all, it is MagSafe compatible. The strong magnetic lock works seamlessly with MagSafe and wireless chargers, ensuring that you can power up quickly without risk. Second, it has a magnetic ring stand, so if you need to go hands-free, the built-in ring stand offers versatile positioning for all of your viewing needs. Non-slip back pattern. Whether it's on your dashboard or your desk, this case stays put, reducing risk of falls. And fourth, it has heavy-duty protection. Tested to military grades, this case is trusted by, they say, law enforcement and athletes alike for rugged durability. Now let's just take a quick look at some other features about the build quality. You'll notice that it has raised lifts all the way around the front, no doubt giving the main screen adequate protection. It also has very generous cutouts for your USB Type-C, thank you Apple, and your speaker grills. The corners are reinforced. It has very nice design on the back. You'll notice the orange strip, which I like, and also it has two rubber grips on the side to give you more gripability, if that's a word. And it comes with a magnetic ring that works as a ring holder and also works as a stand. Real life application. Now, imagine that you're in a hurry and you toss your phone on the car seat. With most cases, that's a recipe for your phone sliding off, perhaps in between the seats, and you can't find it for years. But the non-slip back pattern of this Poetic case grips surfaces securely so your phone stays put. And for those of us who are always on the go, the MagSafe compatibility is a lifesaver because you can charge your phone without taking the case out. Look, no fumbling with cables or peeling off the case. I like that feature probably the most. As far as the user experience is concerned, let's not forget that the look and feel of this Poetic case is designed with a fashion theme. Solid pattern with no embellishments, ensuring that your phone remains the star of the show. The black color is what I like, and the orange strip just brings out the phone and give it a classic but premium look, and it actually complements the phone's design. So, is this Poetic case worth it? If you want a case that offers robust protection, practical features, and stylish design, all without adding unnecessary bulk, then the answer is a resounding yes. Now, a link for this case will be in the description below to help support this channel. I think it's going for about, which I think is a very reasonable and fair price. So, if you value your iPhone as much as I do, then a Poetic case might just be the next best investment. Hit that button if you agree, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Now, drop a comment below with your thoughts and questions about the Poetic case. Now, if this case didn't make the case for you, then you might want to look at that one right there.